Hello and welcome back to Put to Practice Cooking. Today is going to be somewhat of a Christmas special kind of thing. A buddy of mine gave me a recipe for I can't properly pronounce it, but the English translation is pepper balls. Sounds kind of interesting, so I thought I'd give it a try. Should be real easy. So from the looks of the recipe, it's essentially just going to dump it all together, mix it up, and then just throw it in the oven. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, we're gonna put 2 eggs in. I already have that in already. Then we're gonna do our sugar. Afterwards, we're going to mix all that up. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to put in our ground almonds. I use almond flour. It's just what I had on hand. It's essentially basically the same thing. I looked it up, but just gonna change the texture just a little bit. Do the same thing, mix that up. Okay, next is our spice mix. This is going to be some cinnamon, white pepper, and then some nutmeg. I thought I added into it as it will make it a different flavor, and I think it would be very nice for it. Now that's coming out very good. Nice color and smell and delicious. I think we're essentially making like ginger snaps or gingerbread kind of thing, so it should be very good. After this is all good, next thing we do is we're going to be pouring in our lemon zest. Make sure that all of that good stuff's in there. Okay. Lastly, for this part, we are going to put in our flour and a little bit of baking powder. This should definitely start to make it more of the cookie dough kind of consistency. Okay. Now, a little bit more. Okay, so looks like it's pretty incorporated. I don't see any more flour, so that should be good. Coming out very crumbly, so yeah, I think I'll still do what I said. It's suggested that you dust your hands a little bit with some flour, so it doesn't stick to your hands. A little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna make some balls. So something along these lines. Obviously, they're not going to be perfect. Just put it on a parchment-lined cookie pan, and then just rinse and repeat till you're done. And the only thing I'm seeing that might be a problem would be not all of it's going to get the lemon zest, but after we're done with the cookies, we're going to add some lemon juice powdered sugar mixture, so that should hopefully help with that. Just a little ones are going to have like a little surprise inside, I guess. Alright, so here is our somewhat ball-shaped cookies. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put this into the oven for about 15 minutes. It might differ a little bit depending on how big you made them. I will probably need a little bit longer because mine are pretty big. While you're waiting, make sure that you make your lemon juice and powdered sugar mixture. Once they come out, right as soon as they come out of the oven, you're going to put it right in there so that it sticks to it. It gives it kind of like a slight coating on it, which hopefully will add more to the flavor. I will be back once these are out of the oven. See you in a second. Okay, and we are back. Took about an extra 8 minutes, so turned out pretty well. The bottom's the only one that kind of turned out brown, but it should be good. So this is just the sugar and the lemon juice. So we're just gonna quickly put this on so it's all over it, and just put it on a separate plate and rinse and repeat. Alright, so I think they turned out pretty well. I would probably say next time I would probably make double the amount of glaze. Not all of them really got a good amount of them. Kind of ran out near the end, so I would say double it. But let's find out these tastes. All right, let's see how these turned out. Let's go with this guy. I want to do this real quick because, yeah, a little bit brown on the inside, but not crazy. A very interesting cookie. I think, to be honest, I probably should cook them a bit longer, unfortunately. But probably, as long as you make smaller balls, it should be good. But otherwise, taste-wise, really good. You get enough of the sweet lemon, and you get enough of the spice on there. Very chewy cookie too. Not really much of the zest. Maybe I just didn't put enough in, or just one of them that didn't get it. But to be honest, I think just the lemon juice on the outside is probably just enough. Yeah, they turned out really well. Well, hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and happy holidays.